Hey everybody, it is late at night and I am Norman. I had a really unique watch up for sale on eBay and I realized I haven't reviewed it. So tonight we're going to rectify that mistake. So let us begin. A few years ago, I went on a huge sci-fi kick, and I gathered up a whole bunch of really unique digital watches that looked like they came right off of the set of a sci-fi movie. Later on, as I started to collect more automatic and mechanical watches, I stumbled upon the Caliper View, which was an automatic watch that looked really sci-fi and super fun, like all the digital watches I had sitting on my shelf. Tonight, I'm going to show you what it is like to unbox the Caliper View, and I'm going to put it on the wrist and show you what it looks like when you're wearing this great sci-fi piece. So, let's flip the camera around and unbox the Caliper View. Alright, so here is the box that it arrived in. You can see some kind of ghosted white lettering on there. I like the way Caliper is raised and View is inset in there. It's really subtle. It looks really cool. And this is a plastic sleeve that is wrapped around the box. You can kind of see it right there. If we flip it over, we see that it is a didactic face with a black chapter ring, steel case and band, orange second hand. The Caliper View. Designed in Canada, assembled in China, with other items as marked. This is actually a discontinued line. There are similar ones, like with a white chapter ring and some other variants of the Caliper View, still available, but not this one. I believe this is the C10. Alright. Let's slide this plastic off. Set that aside. Here we have a two-part box. So let me go ahead and get this off here. And set that aside. Inside here we have a bit of paperwork. The View, a self-winding mechanical watch. Caliper Timepieces. I like that font. And that orange color is really cool. And the great silhouette of the watch there. Very cool design work. Nothing on the back. And inside, we have our warranty, contact information, water resistance, how to use the clasp, all kinds of stuff. Very cool. I like the photo illustrations. And here we have the watch. There it is. That looks pretty cool. Alright, let's take the watch out and get a look at it. Feels really solid. That mesh bracelet is actually nice and heavy. It doesn't feel like they skimped at all on the materials. You know, sometimes there's bracelets kind of like this that feel really light, almost plasticky and cheap, and Not this one. This feels legitimate. Look at that cool dial. The orange is a great touch. Display case back. Very cool. All right, let's see what this watch looks like when it's on the wrist. But before I do, what is currently on my wrist? The Timex Marlin with the black dial. I love this little guy. So cool looking. Let me take this off and we'll see what the caliper view looks like when it's on the wrist. Here is the caliper view on my 7-inch wrist. That is so cool looking. So sci-fi. It kind of reminds me of the Giugiaro. Not that it actually looks like one, but kind of, it feels like the Giugiaro, it could have come right out of an Alien movie. Maybe that orange pop in there, maybe the skeletonized dial. For some reason, it just kind of reminds me of the Ripley watch. I don't know why. Not saying it looks like it though. Super cool. So there you have it, the unboxing and a wrist shot of this great little automatic watch. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a full review of it. Thanks for watching.